Everyone, thank you for your suggestion and comment on my last video. It's really helped me to improve for upcoming videos. Okay. So what is I'm going to do today? I'm planning to go with the basic installation of Java, Kotlin, MongoDB, so that Kafka, so that you have like all the tech stacks first install, then you go before do the developments process further. Okay. So how we can go for installation of the Java in MacBook M1? So if you go to Google, then you find out like I would love to go with SDK man. So why is SDK man? Because this is have so many tools inside. Like you can install Java, Gradle, Maven, and like so many things you have inside. So you have installed one SDK man, and you can go for others installation inside. So how you can go for it? Like you have seen, might have seen, like you can install Java, JDK. You can say JDK. Either you go to Oracle website, download the like packages depend upon the operating system. But this one I'm using for last 3 years for with Ubuntu because it's very easy to do the things in quick way. So what can you do? You can just copy this link and open the terminal, okay, and then paste here and just enter. It will install for you. Okay, so SDK man install. So what you need to do, you just go to check is really installed. So if you do SDKV means version, so if you see the SDK version installed, right? So how we can go to install Java? So if you search SDKL Java means list of the Java installation what you have. So if you see here, right, you have so many like vendors: Adopt, OpenJDK, Amazon, Azure, right? Wellsoft, GraalVM. So I will come over picture next time. Like what is GraalVM? This is really nice things we have in Java world. So, but I would go for adopt OpenJDK. So if you see, I already have installed it. So suppose if I want to install some other binaries, right? So you just choose, select it, the Java, okay, and just do like SDKI Java and then particular version. You just paste it here, okay, and do the enter. So it will go to download the Java versions from the internet and install for you. Okay, so now it's downloaded. Now it's trying to repackage. Once it's done, it will ask you want to by default install this Java version. Like you say yes. Okay, it install for you. How you check the Java version install or not correctly? So you go for it version Java version. Yeah. So install Java version. Okay, so we have done for Java installation. Suppose if you want to install Kotlin or Maven, so if you do SDK, I means install Maven. So it will install like default latest version for you. So this is already installed. If you check the SDK, ls Maven, okay. So if you see the latest version might be this one, right? So it's automatically pick you for your latest version. Similar, you can install SDKI Gradle. Okay, it will install for you the latest version because this don't have the latest version. So trying to install Gradle 6.8 here. So if I can say okay, this is my default version. So if you can check Gradle -b, right? You have the JDK version supporting here like JDK 15. Similar, you can check MBN package -b. You will see the Maven package also installed. Okay. So if you see through the SDK man, it's very easy you to install tools for your development. So really help. Thank you for watching. It hopefully it's help you. Thank you.